Now I would like to call upon Vijay Pal Singh, and he is again from Sanjay Gandhi PGIMS Lucknow. He is going to talk about telemedicine program management last 10 years.
Respected Chairperson and audience, I am presenting here by the SGPGI Telemedicine Program Management Case Study, last 12 years. Introduction. Management of telemedicine program involved mainly three, technology, process and stakeholders. Successful outcome depend upon the well establishment of management protocol. While emphasis is put on the technology, policy issue need to be addressed to develop the best telemedicine practice models. Over 12 years, SGPGI telemedicine program has matured over the involved with the role of the model of the institutional telemedicine practice. The objective to share the experience of SGPGI telemedicine program management over a period of 12 years. Here we are national network partner. In East we have PGI Chandigarh, AIMS and PGI Rohtak. And in UP we have connected three medical colleges, Meerut, Allahabad and Kanpur, and two district hospitals, Raebareli and TB Safru. In Northeast we have connected to the RAIMS Falls, and East we can connected to the three medical colleges of Odisha, like SBC Medical College Cuttack, VSS Medical College Burla and MKCG Behrampur. And in South we have connected to SRMC Chennai, CMC Vellore and AIMS Kochi. And our overseas partner is we can connected to USA, France and Pakistan. And in Pan-Africa network we have connected recently 47 countries. And in SAARC telemedicine network we have connected to Bhutan, Nepal and Afghanistan. This is our telemedicine program monthly schedule. Here we have, all the department of SGPGI has participated, Department of Microbiology, Department of Endocrine Surgery, Rheumatology, and Nuclear Medicine, etc. This is our transmission of life education program. In every Saturday 8 to 9 a.m. there is a clinical ground round, where all the department of SGPGI has participated in rotation wise, where we can transmit it of Thimphu, Bhutan, Alaram Medical College, Meerut, GSM Medical College, Kanpur, MLN Medical College, Allahabad, and IGMC Shimla, and UCMS Delhi. And in this, there is some academic program which will also be held, which is transmitted to the CMC Vellore, AIMS Kochi, SRMC Chennai, and Patan Hospital, Nepal, where the SGPGI, the rheumatology, nephrology, and gastrology department are participated. Yeah. The most important thing is management. Where there is a first thing is careful planning for management of telemedicine program. Where we can prepare in 1 month advance to take a schedule and describe topic of remote site and obtain topic. The topic is circulated to various departments. List prepared department wise with facility member noting date and time, and then finally schedule is done. The schedule is circulated to all the department of SGPGI and to remote partner through email and reminder on telephone 1 week in advance. The program is also hosted on our website sgpgitelemedicine.org. Program is monitored on daily basis. Remote reminder to the doctor at the host institute day in advance, and last minute change are nominated to either side user. Any cancellation is informed in advance and intimated to all the concerned parties. Here is the on-demand consultation or radiology, unscheduled radiology consultation, where the remote site send the document and pictures. This is the tele-education session, snapshot of tele-education session, where the Indira Gandhi Child Hospital, Afghanistan, connected to the SGPGI. And second one is Patan Hospital, Nepal. This is tele follow-up session where nuclear medicine department connect to the SBC Medical College, Cuttack. We've also included the monthly session record. For end of the month, we can include the, we can take a session record to the how much session has cancelled and what is the reason of the cancellation. Some tips of successfully program management: more than one doctor to be involved. Here the doctors here is the main problem of cancellation of sessions. Mutual cooperation is also important, and honorarium is in honoraria is one of the major factors. Doctors cannot come. And the technical side, we can network. We can have the two networks, ISDN or satellite. When one network is failed, then we can use the second networks, which is satellite or ISDN. And at least two technicians are come. For the one technician is leave, and then this is the come to the second technician. We can use the second technician. And power backup is also important. Last, we can conclude, management of telemedicine session is carefully planned activity prepared well in advance. Alternate contingency measures should be in place. Doctors not available is the most common case of the failure session. Successfully outcome of any telemedicine program need active cooperation of all stakeholders. Sharing of experience in telemedicine program management between centers will be help in making the best practice model of our country. If everyone can share their management policy, so we can create a national level telemedicine management policy. Thank you.